and welcome back to the art session of the Funland with the Orchid School. So once again I'm here with a very talented arts teacher, Sir Mushtaq with me.
Hello and welcome everyone. I hope you will be fine at your home. Hello Alisha, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
I am very much fine. So guys, today I am going to teach you how to make this kind of headband for your kids.
Oh.
So guys, for this kind of bands we need some papers, some needs card sheets, colorful card sheets, we need scale, we need sharp scissor, we need pencil, we need cutter and we need a glue. So should I start?
Yes sir, let's start.
Okay. So first I am going to cut the sides of these bands. There are, how many colors are there?
4.
4 color, red,
green, blue and
orange. So Alisha, I am going to use a different color sheets.
Okay.
Like
purple, brown, green and
fluorescent green.
Yes.
And
blue.
So I have to cut the sides first. I am checking one purple side. Then I have to fold it like this.
So which shape we are cutting it?
Half round.
Okay.
Done. So I have to.
Okay, so these are like wings.
Yes. For the left and right side.
Okay.
So I have 2 purple pieces. Now it's time to cut this brown.
Okay.
I am going to use scissor, but before scissor I have to fold it from the center and crease properly. Then I'll use
sharp
a sharp scissor.
Make sure you use these sharp scissor in adult supervision.
Yes. Now brown is also
done.
2 browns are
ready.
Now it's time to take another
green sheet.
I have to fold it from the center, then use a sharp scissor.
And we have to cut it equally.
Okay. Almost equally.
Okay.
Green sheets are
also done.
Now it's time to use this
blue sheet.
Same steps.
Okay.
Yes. Then the last sets of wings are ready. Now it's time to join them together. अच्छा, मुझे ये बताएं कि मैं इसका सीक्वेंस कैसे बनाऊं अलीशा? मीन्स के ब्राउन को ग्रीन के साथ अटैच करूं या ब्लू को अटैच करूं या पर्पल अटैच करूं, क्या करूं, किस तरह से करूं?
I would suggest you to join them together.
Like this?
Yes.
Okay. Now I have to use
glue gun.
This glue gun. have to paste it like this.
Okay, we are joining it together.
Yes.
Okay.
Now, next color,
This one, purple.
purple,
Yes,
like this or like that?
like that.
Like that?
Yes.
Good, good. Nice color combination from your side, Alisha.
Thank you, sir. And then the brown side over here.
Over here?
Yes.
The top of this
Yes.
setup? Okay. Now, it's time to paste the brown like this.
Okay.
Now,
So are we making the butterfly again?
no. I have another part.
Okay, so we
I
are
have
making a sun.
a very smart and very cute sun.
Yes. Okay.
जो हम इसके सेंटर में लगा देंगे.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Fine.
But before pasting the sun, I have to join them together by using this strip.
Okay.
ठीक है? जो सेंटर स्ट्रिप है जो हम अपने हेड पे लगाते हैं.
Okay.
Now I am using once again the hot glue gun. I'll paste it
In the middle.
in the middle
Okay.
like this. Once again like this. It's okay?
Yes.
Now it's time to paste
The sun.
the sun
Okay.
In the
we
middle
are
of?
pasting it in the middle of the wings.
wings.
Okay.
Done. अब हम इसके साइड्स को डेकोरेट कर लेते हैं.
Okay.
ठीक है? ये जो साइड्स हैं इसे हम डेकोरेट कर लेंगे.
Okay.
एंड इट्स टोटली अप टू यू
Yes.
कि आप किस तरह से इसको डेकोरेट करेंगी. Now, headband is ready.
Yes.
So I have two headbands in my hand.
Both have different designs.
Yes. Now I have done.
So I hope you guys like this session and मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप लोग ये try ज़रूर करेंगे and I will see you in our next episode. Till then, bye bye.
Bye bye.